So I have some footage like photos and videos on this little SD card. So how can I import it to this iPad, which is one of the newer models? It's the iPad Pro, standard device. But how does that work? If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So you probably know that there isn't like any physical slot. It's not like you can just take out some kind of slot on the side of the iPad and physically insert the SD card. And that's why we're gonna need to use some sort of adapter for it. So the only connector we have on the iPad is really just the USB-C connector at the bottom, which you use for charging or connecting cables. And there are specific accessories like this one, which feature the USB-C connector on one end, but the SD card reader on the other. So that way we can connect this to the iPad and transfer information from SD card. But even in this situation, you can see that it clearly doesn't fit because I have a very small SD card, and we need one more thing, like a little adapter, which turns this very small SD card into a larger one. So I first have to slide it in like this. You can see that it kind of like turned into this large one, and this is what we can install into this reader. Once we have this set up ready, we can just connect it to the side of the iPad as such and wait until it gets recognized. And then now with this, there are like two options on how we can approach this. At first, we can go to the Files app, and in the left panel, you can see the location. So if you have it closed like this, make sure you expand it. And we have the storage like the iCloud drive. A lot of people use it, or the local storage on my iPad. But below, we can see that this external like SD card, which is called GoPro, because I use it in my GoPro, right? It is recognized and everything works properly through this connector. So if we have some footage in here, like, I don't know, I go to this folder and I have some photos and videos. The first option is really just to grab it like this and literally just go to the on my iPad and, I don't know, paste it in here. You can see that this is how you can move it back and forth very quickly. So that's one option, using the Files app. But other than that, we can also head over to the gallery. So on your iPad, you have the regular gallery where you browse photos. And as long as you have the accessory connected, in the left panel, you can notice that there is like a new option. So let me just zoom it in. So there is the library and collections all the time. But once we have this thing connected, also the import option exists now. And we can click on import all in at the top right corner, which basically grabs all of the footage, videos, photos from SD card and moves it to the local iPad photos. Or we can select only those that we like and now click on import the selected photos and videos. So this is probably a little bit more practical, but that is of course up to you to decide how you want to use it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. I hope that I was able to explain it and show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get it. You never miss anything important.